Here we are in a Range Rover, and if you can see, this is the front leather seat, and it is getting dirty. I've actually taken care of this car since day one, but like a lot of people's lives, life happens, and this car has become a little neglected. I want to demo Lexol pH leather cleaner, glycerin rich, pH balanced. pH balanced, as if any of us know what that would actually be. That's the pH scale, which has to do with acid and alkaline, I believe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of this leather cleaner on it, use my little scrub pad, and show you that really it's just not that effective. Now I don't know if it's showing up or not, but there's still dirt in these cracks, and just for the sake of fairness, I'll spray a little bit more. Use my scrub brush, which it looks, let's say, I'm going to give that a 20% improvement. You can still see that the weather is aging, because that's the point with leather cleaners that I keep making over and over again. They just basically suck. They've been just dumbed down to the point where they're just ineffective. So now I'm going to spray my cleaner, and I'm going to clean with the scrub brush. Notice this also has perforations in it, but I have not used so much cleaner as I'm going to saturate the mechanics underneath. Now, voila. Hopefully you can see that, and you can see now that the dirt that was contained within all the little tiny texture, fingerprint, whatever you want to call it on the leather is now clean. It's virtually 90, I'm going to give this a 98% clean. Now if I want to go for 100%, which in my eye, I'm always shooting for 100%. Now in the customer's eyes, this would be considered as good as new. But if you really look closely, you can still see there's a little bit of dirt left. So I'm going to clean it yet again. And that's the deal with cleaning carpet or anything, is it's better to do repeat applications of small amounts of cleaner rather than oversaturate the area and try to get it in one go, because it's just going to be unrealistic. Now, aside from normal wear, this leather looks perfect. Now, because people actually use this, you will start to get some permanent creases within the leather. That is normal. There's nothing you're going to do about that. Keeping it clean will, by far and large, make this leather last and look new as long as possible, despite someone's butt sitting on this repeatedly day after day after day. Now these crease marks, or these permanent character lines that have been created in the leather, are 100% clean. It's not going to get any cleaner than this. So if you want to go with the pH Balance Lexol cleaner, which is a name brand product that's been around forever, then go for it. But be prepared to be disappointed, or just know its limitations. If you have brand new leather that virtually has no dirt on it, and you want to clean it basically once a week, once every 2 weeks, then yes, go with the Lexol. But most people don't do that, and I want my leather, or my customer's leather, to be clean 100% every time I touch it. Therefore, I'm going to have to switch to something that is more aggressive and is actually comes under the category of effective. So that's our lesson for the day. See you on the other side.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and